Traders, I always get asked this question, right? When is the best time to trade? Is it the London Open? Is it the New York Open? Is it the Asian Open, right? Now, we are going to explore this question. When is the best time to trade? So stay tuned for that. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to give you all of my trade ideas for today as well. And don't faint, but we have a Bitcoin trade in there as well. All right. Now, let's start with that question. When is the best time to trade, right? So first of all, it's a little bit out of your control, okay? So, for me, I live in Dubai, okay? So I typically get the tail end of the Asian session, the London Open, and I like to be finished just after the New York Open, right? So that's because that's when I'm awake and that is my trading day, okay? It's not that I choose that, it's that I've chosen the hours of which I trade, okay? And it happens to fall into those markets. So really that part is out of your control. And secondly, that's really an important point that I said there, guys. You have to just choose your trading hours, right? This is really important because trading can be all-consuming, right? I remember a time where, I was staying up to like 2 a.m. trading, and then I would wake up, like 6 a.m. to see how my trades are going. I wasn't sleeping well. Trading was taking over my life. I really didn't have a good trading life balance, right? And it's so easy to fall into that trap because the markets are 24/7. Okay, so it's so important to get that trading, your working trading life and life balance, guys, right? And, don't forget, well, this is what I say to myself, don't forget the reason you started trading. It's for freedom, right? I didn't want to do my 9 to 5, listen to some stupid boss prattle on about something I didn't care, right? So I done it for freedom, but the irony is I was doing more hours than I ever, did in my life, right? So set trading hours, get that, that work-life balance, okay? And then the other aspect to this question, when is the best time to trade, is, you don't have control of this, but it's just when you get a setup, right? So sometimes my trading hours will change because sometimes I might go on holiday or be back in the UK for a couple of weeks or something like this. So my what markets I trade slightly adjust, but it doesn't matter. It has no bearing on me. All I do is trade my setups. If that happens during the Asian market, the London market, or the New York market, doesn't matter, right? Just trade your setup as per your strategy. Okay, so don't get caught up on, I should be trading the London Open or the New York Open. No, you shouldn't, right? You should trade what suits you and your life, right? And your time zone. And you should trade when you have a setup, right? Don't worry about things that are out of your control, right? If you're asleep during the London Open, you can't trade the London Open. Don't wake up and think, oh no, I've missed the London Open, right? You're just going to create negative, an anxiety of, fear of missing out all the time. So just control what you can, right? You can control your trading hours, decide what hours you are going to trade each day and trade it. Doesn't matter what market it falls on, Asian, London, New York, doesn't matter, right? And just trade your setups. And that is it. That's the best time to trade. Nothing else matters. All right, guys. So I hope that helps you understand when is the best time to trade. It's different for everyone. Now, guys, we are going to look at some trade ideas. But before we do, I would like your thoughts on that. Like, what hours do you work? Do you work 1 hour a day, right? And just take a look at the charts. Do you spend 4 hours looking at the charts? Do you allow yourself 8 hours? What are your trading hours and how do you apply yourself to the market, guys? We'd really like to know. Leave a comment below the vid. As I said, guys, we're going to look at the trade ideas now. One of them is Bitcoin. Who would have thunk it? And before we look at the trade ideas, guys, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, smash the notification button, and everyone please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community, right? We've got like-minded traders. You can have a chit chat, you can share knowledge, trade ideas. So come join. It's free. Why the hell not? If you would like more than that and you would like access to my trade signals, you would like access to my strategies and tutorials, and you would like access to me, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers and deposit funds into your own trading account, you can get free access to the VIP Trading Academy. Check out the promotions. Also, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me. I'm ready for you. Right, trades. First one is euro against the New Zealand dollar, and we are looking to sell this pair. Why are we looking to sell this pair? Well, let's take a look, right? We was in an uptrend. Okay, price stopped making higher highs. This is a big red flag when you see this, guys, especially when you get a reaction like that. This could be an indication that trend is weakening or potentially changing, right? And then eventually it changes, right? We are now in a downtrend. We are getting lower highs, lower lows, right? Downtrend. We had this big bearish candle a couple of days ago, right? And then this candle didn't exactly tell us that, buyers are in control. So sellers are still in control. And we just want to take it down to this 7,900 psychological level before we hit this level. So that's the direction, guys. Now let's look at the H4. And we've literally just had the entry, okay? If we look at H4, you can see price was at this support level, and then it's broken down, right? And currently we are still in a downtrend, right? We're getting lower highs, lower lows. And we've had this nice big bearish reaction, right? This could be the entry, guys, okay? You could enter in here. I would put my stop above here. I still want to be above this gray zone because price could quite easily come in here and wick down like this. Right, and then we're looking to take price back down to that blue line that I showed earlier. So Euro New Zealand sells, we're getting a nice reaction right now. I'm already in this trade from yesterday, guys. I put this trade in the VIP Trading Academy. Come check it out. The other trade idea for today is Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, now if we start with the day chart, let's start with the weekly chart. So I like the weekly chart here because this is still in an uptrend, right? These lows over here haven't broken and they're the last lows. We're still getting higher highs and these lows are holding. And then just look at the reaction we're getting. Look at these bottom wicks on these candles, right? We're getting a very bullish reaction. If we drop down to the day chart, right, we're in a bit of a, untidy price action, really. We're in a bit of a, range between here and here. But I am seeing higher lows. Okay, so this is a bit of an indication that price could break this level and carry on up. All right, but my first target is here, just to take it to that level. All right, we've still got plenty of pips to move into there. If it does break that, we'll take it up to here. All right, so daily for direction. And then I'm going to look at the H4 and see how I can get in. Now, with H4, right, there is this level through here. Okay. Now, what I want to see, and also there is this, guys. I mean, do you still consider this to be in a H4 downtrend, or are you considering that a break? Right, so there's a bit of subjectivity here. Okay, so what I'm looking to do is this. There is clearly a level here, so we can expect a bit of a reaction. I want a reaction so that it comes back down to this level in here, and this level through here. It's proven to be good support and resistance. Then in here, guys, I will just enter and look to take price back up to here, stops below here. All right, so that's what I'm waiting for, guys, with Swiss franc, Japanese yen. And then, as promised, for all you Bitcoin lovers out there, I'm seeing a nice trade on Bitcoin. If we start with the day chart, okay, we literally, if we just follow structure, guys, right, it was in this downtrend. And as you can see, right, we were getting higher lows. And then eventually this high has broken. Right, so we're in an uptrend, we're above the moving average 20, and then price has retraced back to what was once resistance, becomes very nice support, and the idea is to take price back up to here from this level. If we drop down to the H4, perhaps it has a little bit further to go, right? You can see this level through here. Maybe price wants to come a little bit lower, touch this moving average 20, right? But we can start entering in here, okay? Take price higher, hide our stops behind these lows in here, okay? Take price higher. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas. If you've enjoyed my trade ideas, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today, guys, 8 a.m. New York EST time. I'll see you there.